Hey, hello and welcome to this thing. Look, I got the Lego Voltron. Look, it's right here. There it is. Look. All right, so this is pretty much a lie. We can get rid of that. That was pretty much a lie, and I'm really sorry. I just right off the top, I just sentimental music. Right off the top, I just want to apologize for lying to you about this particular topic. Because when I was a little boy, I never. This is the little Lego Voltron. Well, it's not Lego, it's Laws or something. Probably one of those companies. Comes in a bag from China with some instructions. But this is, pretty much built like a standard brickhead. So here are the pieces to this little Voltron dude. The set also comes with this giant lion. So it's the lion and the 4 other cats. You know, the mechanical cats. Foam Voltron when they come together like. So yeah, it comes with this. This is a weird little build. It's kind of it's kind of derpy, but it comes with the set. It also comes with these 4 thingamabobs that I will never in my life use. What I wanted was this little guy, and it's built pretty much like a standard Brickheadz. It's just quite embellished, but it's it's pieces that you will recognize. This is all Lego compatible, but not entirely Lego. But that's the famous Brickhead piece there. So you can see how this stuff is actually constructed. Ooh, hold up. I can't just breeze past the aqua brick separator. Yeah, you might have one of these. You might have one of these orange ones. Some old shit. That's some old ass shit. I got the news. So just showing you here. Let me just. These bricks aren't. They're not the greatest. Let me tell you. So this might be a bit difficult. Let me see if I could pry it out from underneath a little bit. Jesus. Okay. This is not going well. It looks like I won't be able to show you that. Maybe the back? Jesus, something has to come off. Here we go. Oh, great. That doesn't give me any information. I just want to show you that it's built exactly like Brickheadz. It's got these, same pieces. Jeez, the clutch on these, it's like too much clutch. Let me form them like Voltron, but it's built, you can get an idea. If you build Brickheadz, you can get an idea of how you can build this one. Let me give you a full 360. I like that his shoes kind of look like high tops. I think that's pretty dope. If anyone, this is just an idea off the top of my head that I thought about earlier that I wanted to interject into this video, into a weird and awkward scene where I cut back to this main camera shot and I explain what I'm about to say. This little high top, if you have the Marty McFly and Doc Brown Brickheadz, if you happen to have those, this is kind of a cool idea. If you built it out of like gray and red, is it, or something? It kind of looks like his high tops in Back to the Future. So just an idea. But let's go back down here. That's his right shoe and his left shoe. I know they're. And this is the full Brickhead. Let me give you a get out of here, old ass orange brick separator. This is the new. Fuck out of here. I don't need it right now. So yeah, anyway, this is a cool little build. It reminded me actually of this official Lego Brickhead. It kind of reminded me of how this one is built, in that it's got the same little brickhead face, you know, the same 4x4, is it? Yeah. And then it has like a little mask built around it. Oh, it's got some cool accessories. I didn't do a 360 of it. Here's the 360. It's got a cool printed piece here for the front, that little emblem. This star serves as that thing. It's got yellow eyes. It's got some great pieces. He's got a weapon there. This is one of the tigers. This would be, you know, or whatever they are, cats. It's got the wings in the back that I guess are supposed to be the wings or the ears of this thing, you know. It's got all these cool details. On the other side, the sword is made up of a lightsaber piece and this weird piece. I'm assuming it's like a Nexonite piece, but that's some nerd Lego shit. Who cares? There's a bit of dust right there. Yeah, and that's, you know, that's pretty much it. Anyway, I thought it was cool. I got it on eBay. I don't remember how much it was, but it was cheap. You just have to wait for it for a while. That's all. But yeah, there's my little Voltron. I don't have room for that big Voltron. Look, it's dope. Don't get me wrong. It's probably one of the greatest things, one of the greatest sets Legos ever put out. But would I get it? No, I'd love to build it, but I don't want it. But I do like Voltron, and I liked the sentiment. So I was out there looking for something else, and I found this, which I thought was cool, and I thought I would share. Not official Lego, and I know that that's like a little taboo, but at least this isn't like biting one of their sets one for one. This is a design, wherever they got it from. If this is your mock, whoever you are out there, and you're getting ripped off, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I wish I could have given you this amount of money for this whole set. It's ended on a weird, very weird note. I'm just gonna turn this off. That's off now. Roll the thing!